Bruh, what kind of... Get this chicken. Just that snatcher mix. You know you want it. Come get it. Come get it. I don't know what in the world you are, but we gonna get you out this water. Somebody let me know, what is this? This half turtle, half, I don't know what the fish snatcher, boy. You moving too quick. Watch out there now. Like that chicken though.
He's so thirsty, look. I know he looks like he wants to bite me, but I'm just saying that he's thirsty.
Ma! Ma, come outside, there's a fucking moose! Or a buffalo or some shit, they're fighting!